Okay, 0-2 ha, 0-2. Kirby still ni Abise. Abise, tunapoy, kinaliwa pa. Pero hindi pumasok. Martin, nice pass. Binalik kay Martin. Oy! Malikot ang bola. Sayang. Nawala yung bola kay Kuching. Abise, 2 points. Score 0-4. Sir Ray, veteran shot, pinasa kay Kirby. Kirby to Christopher. Uy, munti ka na. Okay, foul daw ha, foul. Abise, 2 points. Score 0-6. May hangin pa ang team Robert. Two points. Robert, ba't di ka pumasok? Okay, time out na kayo? After neto, time out. CM no good. Okay, good good. Christopher no good. Inaalat po ngayon sila 2 points. Score 2-8. Number 31. Two points. Ngayon bumabanat si Abisi 2-10. Nice pass. Uy, foul. Four minutes, 22 seconds, 14 to shoot. Abise, 2 points. Uy, grabe. 2-14. Nice pass. Mukhang eto na. 4-14. Pabagalin nyo yung laro. Martin, nice pass to Abise. Abise pumake. Abise, 2 points. Nakakarami na si Abise. Veterans play by Sir Ray. Wala pa namang natalo sa first half pero sa second half meron. Rebound by Kochi. Pinwersa, ang ganda ng pasa. Uy! Nice D by CM. Uy, kinaliwa pa. Buti. Nice D by CM. Coaching, no good. Coaching, 2 points. 8-16, walo lang po yan. Wala po bastang natatalo sa first half. Pero may foul. Abise, nice D by Coaching. Hindi makapwesto. Number 15, 2 points. 8-18. Christopher, nice floater. 10-18. One minute, 15 seconds. Huwag po kayong matakot. 6 na lang, 12-18. Nakakaramdam na po ng pagod yata ang Team Robert. Bumabagal na. 57 seconds. Nice, ang ganda ng pasa mo, Martin. 20. Last 45 seconds. Two points. Last 35 seconds. 14-20. Never give up. Last 21 seconds. Last 12 seconds. 8 seconds. Abise, nabuubos ng oras. 2 seconds. 3. Score 14-25. Sayang yung ano? Aray, sakit.
Pagod ka, Em. Pagod ka. Hindi na. Hindi ka napagod na.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola po ng Team Coaching.
Malos mo rin. Anim ba?
Ang malas niya ng una eh. Bola po ng Team Coaching. Munting paalala, huwag kayong magpapatambak. Back to the ball game. 14 to shoot, naka-advance sila. 10 seconds. Nice, ang ganda naman ng pasa mo, Kirby. 5 seconds, CM. 2 points. 25-16. Nice pick by Abise, pero may foul down. Three points by number 15. 28-16. No good. Grabe, tinalo na yung kakampi. Tinalo na si Robert. Uy, nice block. 18 seconds to shoot. Surrey, no good. Nice rebound by Robert. No look pass. Abise, 2 points. 30-16. Nanibago lang yun. Coaching, 2 points. 30-18. 3 points by Robert. Coaching, easy 2. Score 20-33. Grabe yung ikot na yun. Parang si Hakim yun ah. Grabe pagkakaikot. Ako nahihilo. Oy, 2 points by Coaching. Dinadali lang kayo sa transition. Oy! Madali na, pinahirapan pa. 37-22. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. No good by Christopher. Rebound by Abise. 2 points. 39-22. Joe, kunin ko na yung bayad. 2 points. Grabe naman yun, unstoppable. Oh, 14 seconds ha, naka-advance po sila, naka-advance. Martin, no good. Sir Ray, veteran's layup is good. Bigay ko mamaya. 3 points. Ang init ng kamay mo. 44-24. Mahirap umabol pag 3 points versus 2 points. 2 minutes 37 seconds. Iisa pa ba sila? No good. Grabe, parang nag-ano ah. Three! Nako, mukhang secure na sa championship ang Kalingasan. (47-26). One minute, 20 seconds, 14 to shoot. Last 1 minute. Coaching goes to post. 47-28. Robert, munti ka na. Umiwas lang yung ring. Uy, sayang. 45 seconds. 49-28. Christopher, 2 points. 49-30, last 25 seconds. Martin, 3. 18 seconds. Parang wala na talagang pipigil. Okay. Labas na lang. 11 seconds remaining. Five seconds. Coaching, 2 points. Oh, yung mga hindi pa po nakakabayad, pwede na magbayad. Oh, waiting na po sa championship yung Team Robert, ha. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Last 3. Pre! Robert! Robert tuloy. Poblete! 7 yung lamang sa inyo nung first game, di ba? Lalagay ko na yung lamang nila para at least di na kayo magbibilang, ha. Yung hahabulin nyo kasi 10 points eh. Ano, plus 3 sila. Tapos negative 7 kasi kayo. Plus 10 sila. O gusto nyo, hindi ko muna isulat. Pero tandaan nyo. Okay game, pwesto na po sa gitna.